से सर का स्वागत करें।
थैंक यू सो मच संगीता जी, डॉक्टर संगीता जी। Yeah. So, respected dignitaries, honored guests, dear parents, partners, our donors, our funding agencies, and overall our beloved Manovikas family. Let me tell you why we say family. In Manovikas we don't have the any family planning concept कि हमारा परिवार बढ़ता रहे जितना बढ़े उस सब में हम खुश हैं. So I can start the things that today is not just an event. Today is a kind of feeling you will find out in next 1 hour कि वो जो feeling है that tell us about the every life has the value, then every ability has the divinity. I'm not saying the every person, the every abilities has the divinity, and this is called Dasha Avatar 2026. I have seen that journey of this Dasha Avatar कि कैसे बच्चे 3 दिन पार्टिसिपेट किए, फिर चौथे दिन के नहीं 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 मैं नहीं करूँगा, आज मेरा साउंड बहुत ज़्यादा है, फिर वो प्रोग्राम के समय में नहीं आज मेरा मूड नहीं कर रहा. सो आई हैव सीन दैट maybe this is not a performance, we can't say, it is a reflection of something which is much deeper, and that is, I can say, the inclusion as a kind of we can't say the दया का भाव कि ठीक है नहीं करोगे तो मत करो, या we can say the charity कि ठीक है छोड़ देते हैं कोई बात नहीं ऐसा चलेगा. It's a truth, the सच्चाई. इंक्लूजन जो सच्चाई है, अगर हम समावेशन की जो सच्चाई कहते हैं कि किस तरह से एक ग्रुप बनता है, किस तरह से एक बच्चे एक साथ मिलके काम करते हैं, it requires the deep gratitude. The deep gratitude requires for the student, deep gratitude for the parents, the teacher, the everyone. Everyone is working so much very well. And today I am stand here with a much more deeper gratitude. Uh, the visionary of this show, uh, we can say that the conceptualizer person of this show, uh, Dr. Indra Alok. Yeah. So the whole vision, it is it is reminding us that uh, art is not something like we can say कि limitation by ability, कि ठीक है इसकी ability नहीं है ये काम नहीं कर सकता, अरे ये art कैसे सीखेगा. Long back I have seen that somebody was dancing on the wheelchair, somebody was doing so much of the Bharatnatyam on wheelchair, and फिर उनको एक किसी ने कोई बड़े से गुरु ने कहा कि आपने भरतनाट्यम का जो है मजाक उड़ा दिया डांस कर, व्हील चेयर पे डांस कर. फिर आज के डेट में मैं देखता हूँ कि दैट द व्हील चेयर डांस इज द अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इट इज फेमस, एवरीवेयर यू कैन सी दैट व्हील चेयर डांस इज वेरी मच. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, art is not limited by ability, it is amplified by it, कि कैसे हम उस आर्ट के थ्रू उस एबिलिटीज को कैसे आगे आए. सो एंड today's show is a very brilliant choreographer, and the choreographer Chandresh Verma, we need a round of applause कि आप देखेंगे कि वो बच्चे के साथ कैसे मिल के काम किए, कैसे, and I think he has a lot of patience, and I have found the much of patience with his colleague Harshit Sharma. The Chandresh and Harshit has made this show यहाँ तक लाने के लिए, और अभी आगे आपको दिखाएगा. This is a transformation of movement into meaning, कि हमारे एक एक बच्चे, मैं इतना ही घूम सकता हूँ, मैं इतना ही मूव कर सकता हूँ, but how he has made that meaning, that performance, I have thought of last 2-3 months कि ये जो performance नहीं था, somehow it was a kind of empowerment for them, उसकी सशक्तिकरण हो रही थी उन बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस के थ्रू. एंड टुडे आई बो the respect to our patrons, leaders, and our board members, and everyone. And my best regard to Madam Stuti Kakkarji. She is our patron, and we respect you. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us. And we have with us Dr. J.P. Singh, sir. So we welcome you, sir, here. And we have a lot of friends and family members. And though the person is not here, but spiritually she is with us, Dr. Nilima Sabarwal, our major partner of Home of Hope from USA. She is very much kind enough to help for giving this support to bringing this program to here. And definitely our big round of applause for our president, Dr. Nimeshji Desai, sir. So how we have seen that his directions and everything has made us this journey very beautiful. And I say it's not a beautiful, it is more wisdom and humanity. So today I also want to acknowledge something very important to you all, dear family members, Manovikas family. Manovikas is not built by the one institutions, or we can say कि ठीक है मनोविकास अपने आप इतना कर सकती है. It is a kind of built by the people behind it. And when I have seen, I have the two major partners here today, Voith and Cognex. सर मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ आपको कि लोग अभी मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री के पार्ट में देखेंगे कि हम डिसेबिलिटी के बारे में अंडरस्टैंड करना चाह रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं कि क्या होगा कैसे होगा. बट इन मनोविकास जर्नी वी आर इन द कॉलेज, आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर इन द कॉलेज, we are talking about the high technology, we are talking about the cloud based things. So this is very much I can say your support is very much important to us. The Voith group is not for just supporting. I have seen the journey, Yogesh ji is here, कि इनकी जो जर्नी थी, इन्होंने एक एक चीज को सपोर्ट किया, एक एक चीज को देखा, एक एक चीज को समझा. एंड देन ही हैज आल्सो गाइडेड अस through his technology knowledge and through his company's resources. So through our digital inclusion lab we have started, and we have one more partner from Voith group also. We are starting the bakery for them. There is another story for them. So and even extending such support, even last year they had supported us a vehicle for the students. कि उनको कार मिली, कि वो पहले वैन में जाते थे आते थे, एसी नहीं होती थी, तब उनको अब वो कार में जाते आते हैं. सो दैट इज द हाउ द पार्टनर्स आर वेरी मच विजनरी फॉर अस. एंड थैंक यू. मोहित जी नहीं है आज यहाँ पर, मोहित दुआ जी एंड योगेश जी, यंग एंड देन HR मैनेजर सर, दो ही इज वेरी मच नोन टू दिस सेक्टर. तो आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप यहाँ पर आए. And Cognex, the new partner, we are just there supporting for the digital accessibility. So your inclusion lab, and then how we make it to the accessible. And it is something more. It's a cognitive inclusion lab, and which the project we have started, and then now we will launch it very soon. It will become the national model. None of the places, even the international model, we can say. कि वो कहीं पर ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक्सेस के थ्रू टू मेकिंग द एक्सेस टू अंडरस्टैंड टू इंडिपेंडेंस. सिर्फ समझना ही नहीं, उसके आगे इंडिपेंडेंस के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. सो विशाल डिंगरा जी इज हियर एंड विथ हिज पार्टनर. सो थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर. एंड टू आवर पार्टनर्स, डोनर्स, फैमिलीज, एंड वी हैव द मेनी साइलेंट सपोर्टर्स. वी हैव मेनी आवर बोर्ड मेंबर्स. We have Niharika ji here, our good colleague of Manovikas, and we have the very good professional group of Rajesh ji and GV Singh ji, and I have got my friend. मेरे आज दो मित्र आए, एक लंगोटिया यार भी आया और एक कॉलेज का भी यार आया. तो मैं उन दोनों दोस्त को भी आज इस प्रोग्राम में बहुत बहुत आमंत्रित करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ. So at Manovikas we have learned one, एक बड़ी अच्छी ट्रूथ, एक बहुत अच्छी सच्चाई हमने सीखा है कि द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट इन द पर्सन, द प्रॉब्लम इज द सिस्टम which does not understand the person. Even the parents sometime, even many places we have seen कि लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अच्छा ऐसा है देख के we have the board member here, the Manoj. He is sitting here. He is a good technocrat, and he earns lot through your share bazaar and all. He has the got the good ideas कि बताता है कि कितना आज का शेयर है कितना क्या है. बट देख के कभी कभी जो है कि लोग कहते हैं कि अच्छा मनुज क्या करेगा. बट he has established the Manubhavan Mitra Mandali, is the self advocacy group. So I can say this is something is very much important. So today through the art, through the technology, through the community, we are changing the system from assistive technology lab through the white group where the children speak. First time I have seen the many children that started the first time the one sentence communication through the technology. Good round of applause for thinking of that things. So in Manolaya, we have the residential care where the person they lives with the dignity, they learn the skills. So today's stage, it is where every performer is, or we can say the performance is not about acting. It's as an avatar we can say कि all the students are the some avatar of any incarnation. So they are the avatar. So dear friend, when you watch this performance today, so don't just see the costume, don't see the choreography, don't see the technology, see the courage within the each performer, see the journey of each performer, see the divine within the each performer. So because why I'm saying, because every ability is an avatar, which is we have made these things. So to आज की जो शाम है, it's not just you are an audience, so you are the witness to inclusion in the most beautiful form as a Dashavatar. So thank you for being here, and thank you for believing us. Thank you for believing in our children's ability. So let us walk with the journey today. So we can start the program.